Ahoy mateys, and welcome back to Henry's Hideout, or should I say, the Beak and Barrel. Got my Beak and Barrel shirt on, if you can tell, and we also have the first edition Beak and Barrel mug that comes with the Plunderer's Punch, which is what we're going to make today. Spoiler alert, I already made it. It's right here. We will get to how to make it in the review in a second. My little lime sailboat is still falling apart, but this is the first edition mug. It is a beauty. I will put some close-up shots in for you here. We went to Magic Kingdom, we went to Florida, we went to all those theme parks for the very first time, me and my girlfriend, just the other week. We had a blast, and most importantly, we had a 10:55 p.m. reservation at the Beak and Barrel. My review of the place, I really thought it was a well thought out, detailed space, probably one of the most detailed things Imagineering has done in recent years. Does it beat Trader Sam's for me? No, but it is super interactive. There is an animatronic parrot that comes out and sings Pirates of the Caribbean, and you guys all sing it, and it's a fun time. And also the cast members there are super involved in their jobs. They are 100% cosplaying pirates the whole time, and they're, getting your table to do funny things and just have a blast. So super great time. It was a perfect way to end off our Magic Kingdom day in Florida. So there was a lot of things on the menu, but I decided to get the Plunderer's Punch there. It was $46, and it came with this first edition Disney mug. It says first edition Disney on the bottom, so I was super hyped about that. What I wasn't so hyped on was that the Plunderer's Punch was made with Kraken rum. So, to my, not surprise, but to my findings, I would say, the cocktail was a vanilla bomb. Tasted a lot like sugary vanilla and not a lot like rum. I really think that they missed the mark there. They could have totally had a Jamaican rum to use in this cocktail and the other cocktails that they use rum. There's no Jamaican rum there. There is a few drinks that have pot stilled rum, maybe Puerto Rican, something like that, but nothing with that hogo flavor that you want when you step into a tiki bar, or in this case, a pirate themed bar. So I got to thinking, could I make this drink better at home using Jamaican rum? And that's what we're gonna do right now. So let's get into the ingredients, how to make the Plunderer's Punch from the Beak and Barrel at Magic Kingdom. Start off by cutting a fresh lime and getting 3/4 of an ounce of juice into our jigger. And pour that into a clear glass. And we'll take 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup and mix it with a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract to get our vanilla simple syrup. Then we're going to do 1 ounce of blackberry brandy. This gives the cocktail its signature flavor. And then we're going to mix Jamaican rums here instead of Kraken. We're going to do 1 ounce of Coruba dark Jamaican rum and 1 ounce of Smith & Cross overproof Jamaican rum. And finally, we'll do 2 or 3 drops of our 80/20 saline solution to pop those flavors. Then we'll transfer it into our shaker tin, fill with pebble ice, lock it up, and give it a good hard shake. Then we will transfer our cocktail into our first edition Disney pirate mug from the Beak and Barrel. We'll garnish with 3 pineapple fronds, our lime boat, and there it is. And so, without further ado, let's give the Plunderer's Punch from the one and only Beak and Barrel a shot. Oh yeah. Way better than the one I had there with Kraken rum. A true pirate drink right here. I will say the one flavor that I was missing while I was at Beak and Barrel was that of a hearty Jamaican rum. And this recipe with 1 ounce Coruba, 1 ounce Smith & Cross does the job. I didn't do 2 ounces Smith & Cross because I wanted to stay, I don't know, somewhat true to the recipe in my mind. I thought maybe 2 ounces of an overproof would do something else to the cocktail. So we got the Coruba, which gives it that pogo, but it doesn't give it that over the top kind of heat that Smith & Cross can sometimes bring. We have the blackberry brandy in here, which is one of the main flavor profiles of this drink. Complemented with the lime and that beautiful Mexican vanilla extract. I'm trying to see, like, is this extract? What is this? I'm not really sure. Mexican vanilla blend made with Mexico's finest pure vanilla. So there's vanilla in it. Yeah, AI told me vanilla simple syrup, so that's what I did. And man, I gotta say, I mean, it wasn't too long ago that I had this at the Beak and Barrel. It tastes similar. It tastes similar, except this has all of the things that I wanted from the Beak and Barrel version, aka the Jamaican rum flavor. And it goes super well with the blackberry. Of course, lime is gonna do great in this cocktail. My little lime boat is kind of falling apart here, but thought it was a cool garnish. I didn't really know how to garnish this. This comes totally ungarnished, by the way, at Beak and Barrel, and they don't use pebble ice. So these are pre-batched cocktails, to my understanding, at Beak and Barrel. They literally pour it out of a spigot. So obviously, this one is going to be a little bit more fresh and a little bit more nuanced since we're using better rum than Kraken, which was just a vanilla bomb. I think if you use Kraken here and you're faithful to the recipe, you're just going to get too much vanilla. And I'm already getting that vanilla with the 1/4 teaspoon of the Mexican vanilla extract. I think that's truly all you need to have that perfect little vanilla note on the back end. But up front, you get the Jamaican hogo, you get blackberry in the middle. You kind of wash that over with lime. And then at the end, you get a just little hint of that vanilla. Makes for a really enjoyable cocktail. And plus, this cocktail is simple to make, very few ingredients. So go out, make this cocktail, comment down below what cocktails you would like to see next, and also what you thought of this cocktail itself. Have you been to the Beak and Barrel? Do you want to go? Let me know. And with that, I don't know, how do pirates say goodbye? I don't know. With that, ahoy, shiver me timbers, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Cheers.